Today, I'm going to show you how to make a collage video in CapCut PC, step by step, so you can combine multiple videos or photos into one clean, eye-catching layout. This is a great way to make reaction-style videos, before and after edits, comparison clips, travel montages, or simple creative social media content. And the best part is, once you learn the basic workflow, you can use the same method again and again for future projects. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, just load it up. If not, create a new one so you can begin with a clean workspace. Once you're inside the editor, take a look at the top panel and click on Media. This is where you'll bring in all of the videos or photos you want to use in your collage. Click Import, then select the files from your computer. You can choose 2 clips, 4 clips, or even more depending on the style of collage you want to make. After your files are imported, the next step is to drag the first video or photo down to the timeline. This first clip will act as your starting point, so place it on the main track first. Then take the remaining videos or photos and drag them onto tracks to the right side of the first clip. You want each piece of media available on the timeline so you can arrange them properly in the preview window. Now comes the main part of building the collage. Select each clip one by one and resize it in the preview window. CapCut gives you the ability to scale each item, so you can make one clip larger and another smaller, depending on the look you want. If you're making a side-by-side layout, position the clips so they sit neatly next to each other. If you want a grid layout, arrange them into corners or sections of the screen so the composition feels balanced and polished. Take your time here and make sure the spacing looks good. A collage works best when every clip is visible and nothing important is cropped out. You can move each video or photo around until the layout feels right. If needed, zoom in or resize slightly until the collage looks clean and professional. This is also a good time to think about symmetry, because a well-aligned layout makes the final video look much more intentional. Once your clips are positioned, adjust the duration so they all play together properly. This is really important because if one clip ends too early, your collage may look incomplete. Trim or extend each clip so they line up with the same time range. That way, all of the elements on screen stay together throughout the collage sequence. If you want a smoother result, you can also make sure the motion and timing of each clip feel consistent. After that, you can add borders, backgrounds or effects if you want to enhance the design. Borders can help separate each section of the collage and make the layout easier to see. Backgrounds can fill empty space and make the whole project look more finished. And if you want to make it more creative, you can add subtle effects, filters, or even animated touches to give the collage extra style without making it too busy. Next, preview the collage video carefully to check the layout. Play it from the beginning and look at how each clip appears on screen. Make sure everything is aligned, the sizing looks good, and the overall composition feels balanced. If something looks off, simply go back and adjust the position, scale, or timing until it looks exactly the way you want. This review step is important because it helps you catch any small issues before exporting. When everything looks good, click Export. Choose your export settings, make sure the quality is set how you want it, and then save your final collage video to your device. And that's it, you've just made a collage video in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more CapCut editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.